Since this is a creative channel and I'm a maker, I thought I'd share with you some of the more organic things that I chose to do. This is a cordwood fence. I had all of this wood, trees, big trees, poplar, oak, and some other ones that were dead, cut down off of my property, and then made those, well, actually I had them all cut into cordwood. Here's the guy doing that, and he's a real mountain man. Cracked me up one day when he came over for his log splitter and just tied it onto his bumper. And I said, "Isn't that dangerous?" He said, "What do you mean? We're mountain men." Please click the Show More link below and you'll see the description with lots of links on it to other things that I've done and make that may interest you. So there's a drain off for the springs, multiple springs on this property, including a well. So I built a little bridge and I used other logs to make that bridge and then piled cordwood on top of that. I know this was a very quick video, but I just wanted to share this new idea. For me, it's a new idea, and give you an idea of other things that I do in between making my fine crafts. Please subscribe, like, and comment. I love to hear from you guys. Thanks for watching. See you next week.